What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Luka Doncic from the LA Lakers. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now along the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle coming in and then back out for a highlight. And it'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting from the left. Curve this down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to step down, draw another curve for the mouth from left to right, and then on the ends add a small bracket. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's go back up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrow. So we're going to draw a curve going across the top on both sides. From the outside, we're going to go up high in the middle and then taper that down towards a point. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to move out, curve this down, go across just underneath the mouth, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's work our way across the inside of the hairline, going up and then in. Let's bend this up and then in towards the top. And I'll round out the top, coming down and then up. Let's go back down to the side of the head and draw in the ears. We're going to start on the left, going up, round out the ear, and then bend that back in. Along the top of the ears, we're going to add a fold, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook, going out and then in. Now with the outside of the hair, we're going to brush it over towards the right. Let's start on top of the ear, going up and bend that in. I'm going to add a point, coming down with a short line. Continue to go over and out towards the right, and then back in. Just keep going over towards the right, going up and then out, in, add another point, then back down. Now it's going to curve the head, going all the way around the right side, come down and in on top of the ear. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body, starting on the left side underneath the head, curve this out and then down towards the hip, go to the right side, going out and then down towards the same height, close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add the collar on the left, curve this down and then up. Now over on the right side, we're going to draw two angled lines. Now we're going to simplify the word Lakers going across the top. Let's start on the left side with the L coming down an angle, coming in, and draw the rest of the letters, just angling it out over towards the right. And with the R, we're just going to swirl this around, coming down and up underneath the S, and fill that in. Now just underneath, we're going to draw the number 77. Start with two lines going across the top right, come down with an angled line, and we'll just trace this along the outside. In the center of the body, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a small gap in the center, go to the left, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet, from the heel, coming down and then up towards the toes. Let's go back to the side and curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now going back up to the hips, we're going to curve the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. And then in the center of the leg, let's add a curve for the shorts, coming down and up. Now halfway along the bottom of the leg, let's add another curve. And then add a stripe across the side of the shorts, coming down. Let's add a little bit more detail to the shoes. We're going to start from the ankle, bend this out and then down towards the sole. Go back to the heel, going out and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, bend the inside of the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line that up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, curve this around that bracket, come back in. From the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Now with the shirt sleeves, we want to offset this. So the one on the left is a little bit higher. We'll bend this up and then out. And then on the right side, we're going to step down, add a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Luka Doncic from the LA Lakers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.